Hello everybody, welcome back to BKM Tech and Gadgets. Just got in, so I hope you like the new setup on my new channel. Oh, just a bit thirsty there. So I am speaking on the BOYA mic, but the next video that's coming up, I'm going to do an audio quality comparison with the BOYA mic, which I'm talking on now. I'm going to review it with the TakStar SGC 598 shotgun mic, which is a very cheap and affordable mic, which is, you know, really good sound quality. So I'm going to be comparing that with the BOYA mic, what I'm talking on now, and the TakStar shotgun mic, and I'm also going to compare it with the Canon M50 mic as well. So I'm going to do some audio tests on that. This is the shotgun Takstar mic, which I will be reviewing. So this is it. So it's a very cheap, affordable shotgun mic. As you can see, it's got the dead cat on there, and then it's got the resistance there for the when you put it on top of the Canon or any video camera. So it's a TakStar one. I will leave the links below on where you can purchase it, because it's on my affiliate link. So I will leave the link below regarding the TakStar mic and also the BOYA mic and also the Canon M50. So if you like this channel and what I will be reviewing, I'm going to be starting 2020 with some new tech and gadget reviews. Also going to be doing some more drone shots around the country with the Mavic Air. So if you could like and subscribe on my channel, that would be much appreciated. So the comparison video is coming up now. So let's roll the video. Hi, back, here we are. So this is the comparison audio test with the Canon M50 camera inboard mic, also the TakStar SGC 598 shotgun mic, and also the BOYA BY-M1 lavalier mic. So what you're hearing now is the built-in Canon M50 mic. So this is the audio quality of this mic. This is a really good camera as well for video and picture quality. But obviously listen out for the audio. I hope my voice sounds okay. So this is the built-in audio mic that's built into the camera, and I'm about 3 foot away from the camera. So this is just a really good comparison on the audio quality that you get with the Canon M50, which is a really good camera. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to switch up and you're going to hear the TakStar mic, which I will switch now, and you'll be able to hear the audio quality on that. Give me a second. Hi, back now with the TakStar SGC 598 shotgun mic. So this is the audio quality on this mic. I'm at the same distance, about 3 foot away. So you should be able to hear a bit of difference from the onboard mic in the Canon M50 and the Takstar mic that I've got now. So this is really a high sensitivity condenser microphone. It's got an optional plus 10 dB which you can set to take out noise in the background, and its rugged design, its shockproof design also reduces the mechanical noise of the cameras and other vibration on the mic. So I hope you like the quality on the audio on this mic. So this is another alternative mic you can use for your video vlogging and also camera work like this where you're sitting in front of the camera. So I hope the audio is good on this as well, so you will hear obviously a bit of different audio quality. So I will leave the link below regarding how much the Takstar mic cost. So I hope the audio quality is good. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to stop now, switch out and go on to the BOYA lavalier mic. Catch you in a minute. Hi, so back now with the BOYA lavalier mic, BY-M1. So obviously the audio is going to be closer and probably clearer because it's attached to my chest here. So I hope the sound quality is good. So this is the BOYA lavalier mic, which is a really good mic, which I believe is about $14.95. Like I said, I will leave the link below on this mic. So obviously you can hear now the difference of the 3 different mics which can be used in 3 different situations. So obviously the lavalier mic, the BOYA one, comes with a really long cable, so you're able to move about if you're doing any videos and you wanted to, you know, not be restricted and still have the good sound quality. The Takstar mic obviously is very good as well, so that's really good for vlogging if you're out and about and you're like arm's length with the camera in your hand. So that's going to pick up good audio, but obviously, you know, again, different situations. With the Takstar mic, if you move away, quite far away from the mic, the sound will sort of get a bit quieter. And then obviously you've got the built-in mic in the Canon M50, so you know that's built in. That's still really good audio quality. And like I said, with the Takstar shotgun mic and the built-in Canon M50 mic, I was about three foot away from the camera. Obviously the BOYA one is attached to your chest or on your shirt, you know, with the clip, so that's always going to have quite good clear quality. So I hope this video has been interesting for you and you can obviously hear the difference in the sound quality regarding audio for any YouTube or professional video making that you're doing. Like I said, I will leave the link below on all products that I've used, so that's going to be linked to my Amazon affiliate account. So if you click the link, that will help me out and give me a bit of percentage there if you purchase the products. So I hope you enjoyed it. Like and subscribe to my channel, BKM Tech and Gadgets. More videos will be coming soon regarding drone shots and more tech gadgets coming soon. Hope you liked the video. Thank you for listening.